Upbeat music plays. Scene opens with both mops displayed prominently on a table. Hey, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you navigate the treacherous waters of purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of steam cleaning with a showdown between the Shark S7001 mop and the Kenmore SM2050 2-in-1 steam mop. Let's get cleaning. First up, let's talk about the price. The Shark S7001 is generally considered affordable and great value, with many reviewers praising its efficiency and ease of use without chemicals. However, the Kenmore SM2050 is priced at around $89, and while it may be a bit more expensive, reviewers appreciate its versatility and effectiveness. If you're looking for something budget-friendly, Shark might be your pick, but if you want quality and features, Kenmore is worth the investment. Next, let's get down to cleaning power. Reviewers note that the Kenmore SM2050 effectively removes 99.9% of dust and grime, making it a superhero of mops. In contrast, while the Shark S7001 is praised for its ease of use and ability to handle tough cleaning tasks, some users feel it doesn't clean as thoroughly. If you want a mop that cleans like it means business, Kenmore's your best bet. Now let's talk about chemical-free cleaning. The Kenmore SM2050 is noted for tackling various surfaces without leaving residue, making it a stealthy ninja in the cleaning world. On the other hand, while the Shark S7001 has good intentions, some reviewers express concerns about its overall effectiveness. If you want a mop that won't leave behind any chemical residues, stick with Kenmore. Let's discuss versatility. The Kenmore SM2050 is a 2-in-1 handheld steam cleaner, which reviewers love for its ability to clean everything from floors to pet toys. In comparison, the Shark S7001 is seen as more limited in function, making it less versatile. If you want a mop that can do it all, Kenmore is your go-to. Accessories are another important factor. The Kenmore SM2050 comes with a variety of tools, making it the life of the cleaning party. Reviewers appreciate the included bristle tool, angle tool, and washable pads. Meanwhile, the Shark S7001 has minimal accessories, which some users find disappointing. If you want a mop that comes with all the bells and whistles, Kenmore is definitely the winner here. In summary, the Shark S7001 is praised for its ease of use and effectiveness on various surfaces, especially in pet-friendly homes. However, some users have expressed concerns regarding its durability and overall cleaning power. On the other hand, the Kenmore SM2050 is appreciated for its versatility and cleaning capabilities, though it has its share of mixed reviews regarding steam production and customer service experiences. So what have we learned today? If you want a mop that cleans like a pro and is versatile, the Kenmore SM2050 is your best friend. Meanwhile, the Shark S7001 might leave you wondering if you should have just stuck to a broom. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Remember, product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.